Okay, it's recording, and we're back with the Hannah and Macy show. Macy, she's in a lab, and we're walking. Went to the store, got some Dr. Pepper, a chocolate bar, and some batteries, and Pringles. And we're on the road with a dirt thing. I'll put you down. I'm walking. Oh, Mountain Dew. Foot wraps. It picked up right. There's Macy's yard. Flowers. Horse that preserves time. More flowers. My road. My crappy dirt road. Oh, horseback guy. So, went to Myrtle Wave yesterday. I went to Myrtle Wave yesterday. We left at 10. We got there at 10. We're like those people who just like stand there and wait until the park opens. Yeah, I kind of felt retarded yesterday. And we left somewhere around 4, I think. And so I got over for sunburn. Got some sun on my shoulders, which is easy to get sun on for me, but I can't get sun on my own. I'm going to try, and I kind of did yesterday, and it's already fading away. And I have my bathing suit that covers my stomach, and that starts pale. That's speed limit sign right there. That's right. The distance stays speed limit 20. That would be good. Ooh, sick. I don't like cigarettes. They kill you. And you can't. Oh, back on the new road. A short little park that we have so far. Which we need to get more, which we are. Soon, I think. Tennis courts. There were the fireworks, which I wasn't here because I was in Clemson. Why not? Who's pregnant? Doesn't know what she's had, which I think that's a bad idea. Because I think you should know what you have. Because, I mean, you don't want to, like, because you're going to have to buy unsexist things. Like, unisex. And, yeah, I don't want to buy unisex stuff. No comments. No comments. So we're back on my road. The one that they're building for Preserve Dog. I don't know what they did to my yard. They built a sign in my yard. And destroyed it. And they're over there in the ditch. There used to be a... It's like manure. It's all so bad. They put a hole in my ditch. And it was like, it was taller than anyone who's probably going to be watching this. Well, who's probably going to be watching this is probably kids I know and stuff like that. But, it was like really deep and like, I don't know, it used to be pretty tall. Can have his head barely sticking out. Oh, what is it? What do you think? Hopefully the other one doesn't pop up. And it's getting crispy like that. Butterflies. I think my neighbors think I'm talking to myself. Sad. Ooh, comment this video if you watched picture of this last night. On the 13th. Seriously, do. I know it's right in my house. as soon as I open the door. Get down here. Right here. And so when I got in, maybe I won't forget. I won't forget you. Get this here. Comment if you want. Computer stuff.